Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know that you're going to be taken care of. 182-point inspections, 12-month 12,000-mile limited warranties, and 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranties all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.